Today's project on the XJ, we are going to be changing the fuel filter. Should be done once a year, and I don't think it has ever been done. It's looking pretty rough up in there. It's on the driver's side. There's a rear tire driver's side. It's tucked up inside there. It's that clip, 2 hose clamps, and it should be a quick job. When are XJs ever a should be quick job? Let's get at it. Things you will need: a pan to catch the gas, 10mm deep, possibly that, light, tripod for recording, 1/4-inch socket or 1/4-inch on a driver there for the hose clamps. So when you're doing this, there's not really a wrong way you can put it on. As you can see here, this side is bigger and this side is a little bit skinnier and longer. So as you pull it off, you will see that and be able to put it on in the right orientation. So we're going to start with getting that strap undone. Always a smart thing to use gloves, especially with gas. Keeps your hands from drying out. Keeps everything clean. Alright, once you have that undone, we want to take off the engine side first. It's going to have a little bit of gas that drains out. There is some pressure on that. I can be quick and get your thumb over it. Let that drain out. Remember when I said it should be a quick, easy replacement? Nothing being quick on here. Always run into something weird. Now, the new fuel filter came with different style of clamps. I'm usually against them. The style of clamps, I like the squeeze kind. That's pretty rusted. I don't want to reuse that, so I'm actually going to use one of these. So I went ahead and prepped this side. That way when we get that one off, we're not spraying fuel all over. We just go pop it on there. So that's how we think it's gonna be. All right, this side, we're needing to be quick about this, so we're gonna kind of twist it and break that seal thumb over it. It's not spraying fuel everywhere. Pop it on just like that. Tighten this guy up. Just like so. Grab this other hose clamp, put it on this side here. Make sure it's easy to get to for next time. And then, try not to break anything. Pop that guy on there. Now before we secure everything up with the strap, I'm going to start it, make sure we don't have any leaks. Alright, not too bad of a job. Took a little bit longer. In total, maybe 20 minutes or so. Normal for it to start up a little bit hesitated at first after that, just because there's no fuel in the lines. You've taken the pressure off. But once a year, help the system run a lot cleaner.